Hi guys, welcome to tap dance tutorial at home. This is Anna and today I've got a warm up on a funky groove for you. And because I had a lot of requests, I'm gonna use those shoes, those heel shoes by Freed. They are not initially tap shoes, actually they are ballroom shoes. Are you ready? So let's do it. First, let's take a look at the steps. So we're gonna start with the serious step. So remember, you don't touch the floor. Okay, then we're gonna add the heel and groove it. Step, 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 heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step, step slowly. Okay, step, 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 step. Same rhythm with a hop. Okay, then we're gonna do this one. Step, pick, heel, step, pick, heel, step, pick, heel, step, pick, heel, step, 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 pick, heel, step, pick, heel, step, step, pick, heel, step, 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 pick, heel, step, pick, heel, step, pick, heel, step, 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 pick, heel, step, pick, heel, step, step, step. Then I'm gonna show you a step that I use a lot. Works very well. It's very nice to do. Step, heel, heel, pull, peak, heel, step, heel, pull, peak, step, heel, pull, peak, step. And the other side, heel, step, peak, step, heel, peak, step, peak, step, peak, step, peak, step. Then we're gonna go back to the beginning, and then so we go back until here, and then we're gonna do series of step, pick, step, pick, step, pick, step, pick, step. Same with step, shuffle, step. And then you are free to do any variation you want using those steps. Step, up, step, up, step, up, step, up, step, step. So yeah, so all this kind of stuff with a step, it goes very well on a funk pattern. So we start with the steps. Same rhythm with the hop. Well done everyone, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. Give a thumb up and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!